I'm in BORTH still, and I can't believe you want to go for a wee and you've got to pay 30 pence. Unreal. 30p, look. And you can't get through. You dive for a wee, but you can't get through. Unreal. 30 pence. What a joke. And it's the same within the women's toilets. You've got to pay 30p just to go to the toilet. How shocking is that? You buy a seaside where you can go straight to the sea for free, but then you got to make money out of you. So there you go. That's the toilets at BORTH. Nothing's free anymore. I don't get it. Hey, unless you've got a radar key and you can get in for free. There we go. Anyway, that's BORTH. 30p for a wee. Bye for now. Yeah, I just want to get clear, it's BORTH in Wales. Amazes me, just realised. It says here, no dogs on the beach from the 1st of May to the 30th of September. Hey, can't even take your dog on the beach anymore. Unreal. All these new regulations. I don't know. What's the world coming to? Can't even take your dog out. Anyway, on to the next bit. Right, it's August the 5th or 6th of August, and I'm at BORTH railway station. So I thought, while I'm here, taking the dogs for a swim and everything, I thought, well, I'll take a look. So here we go. BORTH. Not a lot to see, but look at it. Bit of stone cutouts there. Oh, they got an defibrillator there. BORTH station, bit of there. Big mural up there. Seats. All about the birds with a bit of a map. Yeah, community notices. Yeah, not a lot to see. And that's it, and then we're straight on to the railway station. And you get that view. Doesn't that look amazing? What a view. Windmills in the distance. Donkeys over there. Yeah, so that's quite a view. There's nothing open on here by the look of it. All abandoned, like most of these railway stations these days. Just up by Newtown, exactly the same. The old doors have never been updated. Windows, all showing signs of age. And you got a salt bin with a chair. You can't even get in the salt bin, it's padlocked with a rusty lock. Old sign, gold flake, cigarettes. Got to look a little bit rough round here lately. No, must say it's a nice railway station to come and see. Beautiful. And you can see over there's a donkey. I can't zoom in, I'm on a different camera. Oh, and guess what? The train's just coming in now, look. There you go, a nice day. Weather was really bad yesterday, but look how quiet that train is. That's very quiet. Can't even hear that coming in. .42 off to Newtown, Shrewsbury and up to Birmingham. Train 158834. they're helping somebody off. That's quite a busy little station, isn't it? Definitely getting some use. And the push bikes. There we go. Less than 2 or 3 minutes and they're off. 5:43. That's a quiet train. I don't think I've heard a quiet train like that for a long time. They're off. He's not speeding down the track. Anyway, what a nice station. Wow. Anyway, not very big, but what a view. Just do another little one. I didn't want to walk in front of all the other people before, so I just thought we'd just show the station. Doesn't look like it's been upgraded in a long time. There you go. What a nice place. Quarter to 6. On my way home now. Oh, there's a clock up there as well. Old style. Oh, there is an opening times. 12 to 4 Saturday, Tuesday and Thursdays. And there you go. Volunteers are looking after this station. Please help us keep it tidy. Yeah, nice load of flowers. Reasonably kept well. It's nice to see. Nice church over there in the distance. Yeah, different angle. Look at that view. Hey, I used to have a house built on this side. A view like that. Let's walk to the end. Car stop. Like that. No cars here. And that must be another way out, but it says no entry to pedestrians. Passengers not must pass this point. So there you go. Yeah, somebody walking across. I think the animal sanctuary is over there somewhere. Anyway, just thought I'd show that off while I was here today. Somewhere different. And yep, on that, I'll see you on the next one. Doesn't it look quite small from this distance? Bye bye for now.